My name is Isabella Zuniga Martin. I am a rising senior at CSU and my major is environmental science. At Oxbow, we do animal care and we do projects around Oxbow like water quality tests and checking the bird boxes, watering the plants. And then for the animal care, we just help out with water changes. And when it comes to programs, we have educational programs, and so we can help out with handling the animals, informing all the kids and the families about the facts and the fun facts about these animals. This is Kermit. He is a Western hognose. He's a hognose because he's a little hognose and he likes to dig and he likes to squirm and he likes to try to escape his little enclosure because he's always at the door.
Pull him out. I'm going to take his head. You want to get the lower part of his body, just sort of pull it out of the container there. There we go.
My name is Elizabeth Fleming. I am a rising senior at Columbus State University trying to get a Earth and Space Science degree with a concentration in environmental science. I want to work in conservation, so that involves probably more hands-on, having to know more about like the animals and stuff like that. I definitely think this internship's helping with my career goal, and which is basically just to get to know animals, basically be their, I guess you could say, advocate in a way. Two of them are up here on the bank. The one that's smaller, that's to the left of where that bush is, I believe, Tater.
Yeah. I want to be a park ranger in the future and I want to travel and work at the different parks. And I think being here at Oxbow is helping me learn with public speaking and doing tours and learning about just nature in general so that I can be more helpful out in the field when I graduate. And it's helping me learn more about the animals and how to keep them safe and how to keep us safe at the same time.
I think this internship is definitely making me more, I want to say like extroverted in a way. But now it's like entering the college world. It's like, no, you actually got to talk to people and you actually have to like go out there and do it yourself because no one's going to do it for you. Being able to willingly talk to them like, oh yeah, you were interested in this fish that's right here. I can possibly tell you one or two things I've learned about it since I've been here. And normally like I would never have been able to do that, but ever since being here, it's a lot easier, I would definitely say.
They can come see all the cool animals and all like the adventures that you can do here at Oxbow. Because you can go on the trails, you can do programs, and it's a fun time here.